Hi students, in previous lecture I explained exponents and laws of exponents. So you can refer it in my last video, exponent 1. Now today I am giving more examples on exponent. This is example. So here we will take 5 to the power n common. So 5 power 3 here, 5 power n plus 3 means 5 power n is common and 5 power 3 will left here, minus 6 into 5 power 1 divided by, again we will take 5 power n common, 9 will left here, 9 into 2 to the power 2. 5 power n will be cancelled. Now 125, 5 power 3, 125 minus 6 5s are 30 divided by 9 minus 4. So it will become 95 upon 5. 19. 19 is your answer. Now next example. Solve for x. You have to find out value of x. Here we will take 2 to the power x equals to y. Let 2 to the power x equals to y. So it will become 2 to the power 2x is here. So it will become y power 2 because we are using y in place of 2 to the power x minus y power, it will become 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 4 equals to 0. So it became y power 2 minus 2 to the power 3 means 8. 2 to the power x we have taken y plus 16 equals to 0. Now it became quadratic equation and we have to solve it by splitting the middle term. So y square minus y square minus 4y minus 4y plus 16 equals to 0. y minus 4 minus 4 y minus 4. So y minus 4 equals to 0. So value of y is 4. But we have to find out value of x and we have taken 2 power x equals to y. So it will become 2 power x equals to 4. 2 power x equals to 2 power 2. Bases are same. So x equals to 2. It is our answer. Next question is to prove. So we will write it 3 power 2 into 3 upon 2 minus 3 into 1. 5 power 0 means 1 minus 9. 1 upon 81 power minus 1 upon 2. So we will write 1 upon 9 square and 9 power 2 into 1 upon 2 because power is in minus. 2 will be cancelled. So 3 will left minus 3. 2 will be cancelled minus 9 power 3. I left it here. So it will become 27 minus 3 minus 9. 27 minus 12. 15 equals to 15. So we have proved that LHS equals to RHS. Now next is 125 upon 64 power 2 by 3 plus 625 upon 256 power 4, 1 by 4 plus 1 equals to whatever we have to prove. Now 5 upon 4 power 3 into 2 by 3 plus 5 upon 4 power 4 into 1 upon 4 plus 1 equals to, now this and this. So 5 upon 4 power 2, it means 25 upon 16 plus 5 upon 4 plus 1 equals to 0. Oh, sorry, it is 61 upon 16. Now 16, 25 plus 20 plus 16. So it will become 61 upon 16. 61 upon 16, we have proved it. More examples. Fifth one is show that x power a minus a to the power minus 1. Bracket close, then again power 1 upon a minus 1 and into a upon a plus 1. We have to prove this equals to x. So left hand side, first we will solve left hand side, and x power a minus 1 upon a. Here we will take LCM a, so it will become a square minus 1. Again 1 upon a minus 1, close the bracket, and a upon a plus 1. Now x power a square minus 1 upon a into, because all the powers are multiplying with each other, so it will become 1 into a upon a minus 1, a plus 1. So it will become a square minus 1, a square minus 1. Close the bracket, it will cancel this, a will be cancelled by a. Now x power 1 means x. Thus LHS equals to RHS. This is quite different question, that if 2 power x equals to 3 power y equals to 12 power z, then show 1 upon z equals to 1 upon y plus 2 upon x. So we will take it as 2 power x equals to 3 power y equals to 12 power z equals to k. We can take any number other than k. 2 power x equals to k. Dividing the power by x. By dividing the powers both sides by x means 2 power x equals to k power 1 upon x. Sorry, since we are dividing both sides by x, so 2 to the power 1 will left here. So now k power 1 upon x equals to 2. Same thing we will solve with 3 power y equals to k. So 3 power 1 equals to, now dividing both sides by y. So k power 1 upon y. Now 12 power z equals to k. Again we will do same thing by dividing the power by z equals to k power 1 upon z. Actually we are doing this to shift this power here, this power of z in right side. So it will become 12 equals to k 1 upon z, and we can write it as 3 into 4. 12 will become 3 into 4. means 3 into 2 to the power 2 equals to k 1 upon z. Now we will put the value of 2 and 3. Equals to. Now we will put value of 3 and 2 from here to in this equation. Actually this was equation 1. It was 2. Now put the value of 3 and 2 in equation 3. So value of 3 is k to the power 1 upon y into value of 2 is k power 1 upon x. Now whole power 2 equals to 1 upon k. K power 1 upon z. So it will become k power 1 upon y plus 2 upon x equals to k power 1 upon z. Since base are same, so powers will also be equal and we will cut it. So 1 upon y plus 2 upon x equals to 1 upon z. Now LHS equals to RHS. Sorry, it was not LHS equals to RHS. It was to show that 1 upon z equals to 1 upon y plus 2 upon x, and we had shown it.